The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Taney County, central Christian County, Stone County, eastern Berry County, southeastern Lawrence County, Greene County, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mount Vernon to near Purdy to near Seligman, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $50 size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles as expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Nixa, Ozark, Republic, Branson, Table Rock Lake, Lake Taneycomo, Roaring River State Park, Table Rock State Park, Shepherd of the Hills State Park, Aurora, Battlefield, Willard, Mount Vernon, Cassville, Rogersville, Silver Dollar City, Kimberling City, Strafford, and Marionville. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 40 and 90. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. If on or near Table Rock Lake, get away from the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on the water in a thunderstorm. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9:00 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Missouri. & hail threat. Radar indicated. Max hail size 1.25 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated. Max wind gust 60 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.